Ahead, ensuring the market a major change to the Dow and muscling into the record books. Wow, later in the show. Welcome to 3 Times Square this Friday from Reuters World Headquarters in New York. Dow Jones shaking up one of the prime indicators of the U.S. markets, the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Entering the select group of 30 companies, United Health Group. The insurer joins the average September 24th. Exiting is Kraft, the food company about to split into 2 publicly traded companies, one retaining the Kraft name, the other becoming Mondelez International, made up of international snack foods. United Health getting a boost from the move, though still below its 2012 high, above $60. Kraft down slightly, but trading near the top of its range this year. The addition of the Dow Industrials boosting United Health, the rest of the market getting a lift from the Fed's planned stimulus, like bungee jumping or skateboarding. Risk is back in style. Forget bonds, stocks where the action is now. Dow, NASDAQ, S&P 500 starting the day with some gains. Fed powering overseas, too. Our Jamie McGeever joins us from London. For a change, Jamie, not too many Eurozone worries today.
That's right, Rhonda. In fact, well, it's been that way all week, really. The feel-good factor from the ECB last Thursday, of course, the German court ruling earlier this week, and now the Fed boosting pretty much all European assets except core government bonds. And yes, Rhonda, that does include Greek stocks. Here's a blast of some numbers for you. Athens is up 15% so far this month. It's up for 7 weeks in a row. That's a run not seen for almost 8 years. It's up a healthy 10% year to date and a whopping 65% from June's record low. But one word of caution, of course, don't be fooled. 65% of not a lot is, well, still not a lot. The market has lost about 85% of its value since the pre-crisis peak 5 years ago. Just one more thing worth keeping an eye on. Gold, in euro terms, it's about 20 euros or only 1.5% off making a new record high. That would be above 1,381 euros an ounce. Rhonda?
All right, Jamie, thanks. Have a great weekend. Now, let's turn to our power player of the day. It is actor Richard Gere, who stars in a new Wall Street film called Arbitrage. Gere plays a hedge fund titan trying to cover up huge losses in a commodities bet gone bad. The film's writer and director says he drew upon the life of J.P. Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon for inspiration for Gere's character. The director says, like Dimon, Gere's character is someone who's known for always winning, until, of course, there's one bad bet. Finally, the latest edition of the world-famous Guinness World Records book is published. This man muscled his way in. Those are the world's largest biceps. They are 25.5 inches, sort of weird looking. Now look at this woman. She's 86 years old. She's the world's oldest gymnast. Wow. And finally, we're going to show you the world's largest bike. This gentleman rolling it on down the path there. It's just a few of what you'll find in this newest book. The 2013 book, by the way, is expected to sell 2.7 million copies. That's the latest from 3 Times Square this Friday. You can follow us on Twitter at Reuters Insider and check out our Reuters YouTube TV channel, Reuters.com/ReutersTV. I'm Rhonda Schaffler. This is Reuters.